number 2, Mr. Mark Genesis Alano. Oh my God! Alright. Welcome Miss SK Malabak. You will receive a crown, bouquet, certificate, sash, cash, and for the animal wallet. May I request the parents of candidate number 3? Congratulations, candidate number 3. Ayan, for the photo opportunity. Congratulations for bagging the Miss SK Malabak 2025. Eto na! Sino kaya ang first ever Miss Malabak 2025? Once again, congratulations to our top 5. Congratulations for doing your best. Okay. Our Miss Malabak, our first ever Miss Malabak 2025 is none other than candidate number. Gusto ko magpasalamat muna sa SK officials sa pag-invite sa akin. So thank you so much, and of course, sa barangay officials din. Thank you so much, especially kay Jenny Rose, ang Ventura, na talagang siya ang nag-pursue na maging MC ako today. So thank you so much, Jenny Rose. Alright, eto na talaga, promise, eto na. Our Miss Malabak, our first ever Miss Malabak 2025 is not other than candidate number. Candidate number 2! Alright! Congratulations, candidate number 2! Alright! May I request the parent? Barangay Captain Honorable Dennis Glenn Santa Rosa, SK Chairperson Jomari Cabase, SK Jenny Rose Andre Ventura, SK Marisa, and Aaron, SK Treasurer Aaron, Secretary, Madam, SK Secretary